Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's Clickfunnels 2.0 tutorial, I would like to show you how you can add different variants of your product. For example, if you have different colors or different sizes of your product and you want to give your customers a chance to select the size or the color that they desire on your order form. One thing before we dive straight into it, if you don't have your Clickfunnels 2.0 account yet, you can start your free trial by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And as a bonus, you will get our Clickfunnels 2.0 course for free. And if you already have Clickfunnels 2.0 account, in the description of the video, you will also find the ways how you can save on your subscription. Now let's get into it. To create the variants of your product, you need to go to the products, then all products, and either create a new product. If you don't know how to do it yet, you can check out the video that you will see in the card here in the top right corner. And if you already have an existing product that you want to modify, you can just click on the name of the product and open its settings. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page till the section that's called variants. Tick off the checkbox here, and this gives us opportunity to create different variants for your product. Let's say I want to create different formats of the book that I'm selling. I can add an option, write format, and then I will set different values. Once you edit all the variants for your product, click Done. Click Update Product. But don't leave the settings of the product yet. Scroll back to the variant section and make sure that these checkboxes are ticked off, so all the variants of your product are visible. This is important because otherwise they will not show up on our order form. Once we have all the product variants ready, we can go to the funnel or to the order form, to be specific, where we want to show this product. I already have this product connected to the funnel step. If you don't know how to do it, just click on the icon that you will see here or on the menu and click Add Products, in my case Manage Products, because I already have the products added. And here I have my product added as an order bump. Last thing that you want to check here, go to the settings of your product, click Availability and Prices. This will also include the variants of the product, and make sure that all of them are visible again. Click Update Included Product. Now we can open the page in the page editor. I already have a checkout element here that we need for our order form. If you're not familiar with the checkout element yet, you can check out the video that you will see on the card up here. As you may remember, I added the variants of the product to my order bump product, that's why I can see it here. And already in the editor, we see the additional drop-down for this product with the variants that I added. Let's preview the page and see how it works. Scroll to our order bump. I have a drop-down with the options that I added in the settings of the product. If I select the hardcover, it's added to the order. You can see it in the order summary, and you can also see the clarification that it's a hardcover book. This is how easy you can add variants to your products in Clickfunnels 2.0. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to enable notifications to not miss out on any future videos. Bye bye!